Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change sign-in preferences on your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Now in the Account Info section, click on Edit Account Info. Under Sign In Preferences section, click on Change Sign In Preferences. Uncheck the aliases you don't want to use for sign-in purpose. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, changes has been saved. This is how you can change sign-in preferences on your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.